Hello children, this video is for class 5, subject English Literature, chapter number 10, Feeding of the 5000. Feeding of the 5000. In this video, we will do exercise of this chapter, Feeding of the 5000.
Word meanings and they are used in sentences. So the first word is scare. Scare means to frighten, darana. They don't scare us so much. They don't scare us so much. Disciple. Disciple. Disciple means follower, means shishya. Follower means shishya. Mardana was the disciple of Guru Nanak. Secluded. Secluded. Secluded means lonely, akela. The place was quiet and secluded. Voyage means journey by ship. Ship से यात्रा करना, journey करना, voyage. He wrote about his many voyages into the South Seas. He wrote about his many voyages into the South Seas. Depart. Depart means go, jana. The train departed the station on time. The train departed the station on time. The train departed the station on time. मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, टू लीव द प्लेस, प्रस्थान करना या रवाना होना, डिपार्ट. कन्वे, CONVEY, कन्वे. कन्वे मीन्स टेल अदर्स, दूसरों को बताना, कोई बात दूसरों तक पहुंचाना. I conveyed the message to him. I conveyed the message to him. Weary means very tired, बहुत ही थका हुआ. We were all weary of waiting for you. We were all weary of waiting for you. Compassion means pity. Compassion means pity, daya. The woman's compassion for others led her to become a nun. N-U-N, nun. The woman's compassion for others led her to become a nun. It means दूसरों के लिए महिलाओं की करुणा, महिलाओं की दया ने उन्हें नन बनने के लिए प्रेरित किया. Narrated. Narrated means told, बताया, narrate करना. He narrated that story. Parable means short stories with morals. Parable. The play is a parable that teaches the students a lesson about the importance of being kind. The play is a parable that teaches the students a lesson about the importance of being kind. Ailing. Ailing means suffering. Means not in good health. Ailing means suffering or not in a good health. She has been ailing for some time. She has been ailing for some time. Purchased. Purchased means bought, kharida. He purchased a new suit for $100. He purchased a new suit for $100. Fragments means pieces. Fragments means pieces, टुकड़े. They are only fragments of sentences. They are only fragments of sentences.
Now, let's do question answers. So, the first question is, why did Jesus and his disciples board a ship? Board means ship पर चढ़ना. Board a ship. Why did Jesus and his disciples board a ship? Jesus and his disciples boarded a ship and sailed to a secluded part of the coast where they might have a little rest. Jesus and his disciples boarded a ship and sailed to a secluded part of the coast where they might have a little rest. What did the people of the cities do? What did the people of the cities do? The people of the cities crowded him so closely that he did not even have time to eat or rest. The people of the cities crowded Jesus Christ so closely that he did not even have time to eat or rest. How did Jesus treat the people? How did Jesus treat the people? Jesus welcomed the people with open arms. He spoke to them with compassion and love. Compassion means pity, daya. Why did Jesus not want the people to go back? Why did Jesus not want the people to go back? Jesus was too kind to send them away hungry like that. He said that the people need not depart. Give them food to eat. Jesus was too kind to send them away hungry like that. He said that the people need not depart. Give them food to eat. How much food was there? They have 5 loaves and 2 fishes. They have 5 loaves and 2 fishes. Last question is, describe the miracle of Jesus. So students, you have to write the answer of this question. Describe the miracle of Jesus. Use the words there or there, there, there in correct places in the sentences given below. Use the words there, there or there, there in correct places in the sentences given below. ये जो sentences है students, आपको इसमें there और there use करना है. there means वहाँ, इसके लिए यूज़ किया गया है there, वहाँ. एंड का यूज़ हम अपने के लिए करते हैं. जब दे के साथ अपने के लिए किस यूज़ होता है, तो वहाँ पर दे यूज़ होता है, THEIR. लाइक दे आर गोइंग टू देयर हाउस, THEIR यहाँ पर यूज़ होगा. तो जब वहाँ के लिए यूज़ किया जाए तो THER दे. एंड जब अपने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं प्लूरल नंबर्स के लिए, प्लूरल नंबर्स ऑफ नाउन्स हो या प्रोनाउन हो, उसके लिए जब अपने के लिए वहाँ पर जब अपना आता है तो वहाँ पर हम THEIR यूज़ करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज दे विश्ड टू स्टे डैश फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन रिटर्न टू डैश होम्स. तो हम फर्स्ट वाले में क्या लिख सकते हैं? दे विश्ड टू स्टे देयर, THERE. They wished to stay there for some time, THERE, and then return to their homes, THEIR. अपने घर रिटर्न हुए, तो यहाँ पे THEIR यूज़ होगा. They wished to stay there, THERE, for some time and then return to THEIR, their homes. Next, we saw many women who were carrying dash belongings on dash bags. We saw many women who were carrying their belongings on dash bags. तो फर्स्ट वाले में क्या लिख सकते हैं? दोनों ब्लैंक्स में हम THEIR यूज़ करेंगे. We saw many women who were carrying their belongings, THEIR, their belongings on their bags. THEIR दोनों जगह पर देयर का यूज़ होगा. नेक्स्ट, when dash parrot flew away द चिल्ड्रन वेंट हियर एंड डैश लुकिंग फॉर इट। तो फर्स्ट वाले में क्या लिख सकते हैं, व्हेन देयर पैरेट, THE आया, देयर पैरेट फ्लू अवे, उनका पैरेट, जब उनका पैरेट उड़ा, तो यहाँ पर होगा THE आया, देयर पैरेट फ्लू अवे, द चिल्ड्रन वेंट हियर एंड देयर लुकिंग फॉर इट। और सेकेंड वाले ब्लैंक्स में लिखेंगे THERE, देयर। फर्स्ट में THE आया, देयर, एंड सेकेंड ब्लैंक्स में THERE, देयर। When their parrot flew away, the children went here and there looking for it. Next sentence. Will you go dash with them? Will you go there? THERE. Will you go there with them if dash parents give them permission? Will you go there? THERE. Will you go there with them if their THEIR, if their parents give them permission। तो फर्स्ट वाले में THERE, their, एंड सेकेंड ब्लैंक्स में THEIR, their parents, उनके पेरेंट्स, तो यहाँ पर THEIR यूज होगा। द लास्ट सेंटेंस, इज डैश अ वे आउट ऑफ दिस फॉरेस्ट, आस्क्ड द टायर्ड ट्रेवलर। इज, तो यहाँ पर क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, THEIR, their और THERE, there। Is there, THERE, is there a way out of this forest? asked the tired traveler। तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे THERE, there। Clear? Complete the sentences. First is, one day Jesus and his disciples went on dash a ship. Next, when Jesus saw the crowd, his heart was filled with affection for them, and he dashed them with open arms. Jesus told his disciples to distribute the bread and dash among the people. So students, to complete these sentences, you have to read the chapter very carefully. Then only you can know the answer. So complete these sentences. Choose the correct response and make meaningful sentences. Choose the correct response and make meaningful sentences. Two options are given. For each sentence, you have to complete the sentence by filling correct word, and after that you have to make a meaningful sentence by using the correct word. First is, which one is dash? Options are better or more good. तो दोनों में से जो सही है वो आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे, और उसके बाद उसी वर्ड से आपको एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है खुद का। So which one is dash? Options are better or more good. तो फर्स्ट हम बता रहे हैं which one is better. Which one is better? Better is correct word for this sentence. More good कुछ नहीं होता है, ये comparative degree नहीं है। more good, good का comparative degree better होता है, तो यहाँ पे better fill होगा, better। उसके बाद से better की word, better से हमें एक sentence बनाना है। सेंटेंस क्या हो सकता है, ही इज़ बेटर दैन मी, ही इज़ बेटर दैन मी। नेक्स्ट, दिस इज़ मच डैश। ऑप्शंस आर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट और इम्पॉर्टेंटर। नेक्स्ट, माई ब्रदर इज़ डैश दैन आई एम, माई ब्रदर इज़ डैश दैन आई एम। ऑप्शंस आर मोर वेल्दी और वेल्दियर। And the last one is, this sounds a bit dash. Options, many natural or more natural. So students, you have to choose the correct response and make meaningful sentences. दोनों ऑप्शन में से जो सही है उसको वहाँ पर फिल करेंगे और उस वर्ड से हम एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाएंगे।